fascinating is 90% of B2B purchase are influenced by word of mouth, connections, conversations, and only 25% of B2C. That's to say, right now we are talking about influencers in the B2C context, but in B2B, it's far, far more important. And the budgets right now are ridiculous. Companies only devote a very small portion of their budget to B2B influencer marketing. I think one of the reasons is, as I said earlier, it's very new. It's still difficult to measure the effectiveness of the messages that an influencer can relay, because for different reasons. One is in a B2B, the notion of purchase can take months. In B2C, you can say, a car, you will take a few weeks to think about a car. In a B2B concept, if you are talking, changing your ERP system or this kind of stuff, replatforming your e-commerce, you are talking about a year, 18 months maybe. So the notion of influence is over a very long period of time. And in B2C, usually you just have to convince or influence one person. In B2B, you have multiple actors. You have the key decision makers, you have key stakeholders. Think about replatforming an e-commerce platform. You are going to involve IT, marketing, operations, finance. Basically, almost half of the company is going to be involved in this concept. So that's why the notion of B2B influence marketing is still very difficult to measure, because it's over a very long period of time and the number of key stakeholders to connect to and to pass the message and to connect to.